Hi there. I thought we'd come together and do a flower pour in this ruffle edge mold from Pouring Your Heart Out. It's getting a little bit old. It's a little worse for wear. It's yellowing a bit. Um, so I thought we'd do a flower in it for fun. I am using Craft Resin, brand resin. It's a 1-to-1 lower viscosity resin. I've pulled all my colors out here. So let's get going. So I poured 8 ounces. I couldn't remember how much this mold took. I may not use it all. I have a mica powder I'm going to use, so I'm going to put just about an ounce in this cup for that. Then I'm going to pour the rest of my cups. I think about 2 ounces for the white, and then maybe divide the rest up amongst my colors and my push. Maybe a little more white. All right. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I just have slightly less white than I do what's in my other cups. I forgot to grab my white I'm going to use. All right, so in my first cup, I'm using Octopus Fluids Resin Ink Peacock. I have a good bit of resin in there, so I'm going to use 8 drops. I probably could put even more in here, but we'll go with this for now and see what it looks like. It's such a pretty color. All right, next I am using Shadow, which is one of my favorite colors to use. I'm going to do 8 drops again. It's like a black, purple, gray sort of color. Maybe not quite black, but it's a dark color. With the vibrant peacock, it should look nice. Look how dark that is. Wow. Maybe I shouldn't have done 8. That's all right. We'll see how it works out. All right, so I got these when I first started pouring resin, and they've just been sitting on my shelf. I'm hoping that they aren't clumpy now. The powder hasn't gotten too clumpy, but this is Pearl X Duo Blue Purple. And I'm just going to use a little bit of it for my mica powder sheen. I'm hoping it's not clumpy. We'll see. Let's give it a good mix up. As the powders get old, they tend to get more clumpy-like, so they require more mixing. Those are good powders. I just started using a bunch of other ones, so just stopped using it. Oh, not pretty. Looks like it's mixed pretty good. All right, for my white, I'm going to use Let's Resin Ocean White. I have to move it down. I am going to put a pretty good amount, probably almost 2 pea-sized drops. I'm giving it 2 squeezes. I want it to be a bright, opaque, heavy white. It's a paste, so it requires a little bit more mixing. I love to use this for my fairy flowers too. You know, when I do the dotting. So you see that's a bright, heavy white. All right. Got our colors together. Let's go ahead and start doing some pouring. So I'm just going to do this simply. I'm going to pour it in the center of the mold. Just layering them. I want to get the bottom full. And I'm going to do my mica powder ring. I'll just give this another mix. I'm going to do it close to the edge. But not on the edge. All right, and now we're going to do some white. Give it another good mix up. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do it in the middle of the mica powder though, or try to. I got my cup squeezed really hard, so I'm getting that squiggly little effect. I'm just moving along with it. All right, so I've got some white left, but I'm going to go in and start doing some pushes. Then I'm going to come in here and do a spiral. And just start in the center. And do a little spiral. And just sling it around. Might do. I'm out of room. So I'm not going to do any more white. And I think I will use this lighter blue for my final push. I don't have a lot of room. There we go. And I have these bits I thought would look pretty cool with it. There we go. You know, I'm just debating whether I need more of the white to be part of the design. No, I'm going to let it go. I did do a heavy white. I did a lot in there. What I'm debating is whether the white in here was heavy enough. I think it was. I think I'm going with it. All right, where's my torch? All right, so I'm going to wait about 10 minutes. I'll come back and hit it with my torch. Just like that. I'm just waiting for the bubbles to move towards the center so that I don't get the torch too close to the side. But that's it. We'll come back when it's time to unmold, and hopefully we got something cool. All right, we're back. Look how pretty that purple is. So what I'm hoping for is a fairy flower type looking thing. I did use that heavy white. So that's what I'm hoping we get. Let's just see what we got. It's a little cold in my room today. All right, it's the moment of truth. Oh, wow, look at that. That is so pretty. The petals aren't as small as a fairy flower, and that's because of the spiral, and I didn't do dotting. But it's a lovely, pretty flower. Look at the colors. Colors are so pretty. And the mold, because it pops out, this is the only one that didn't pop out a ton. And the way that we put the white gave us like a star type design. Super pretty. Thanks for watching.